Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there's a link in the description that'll take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a smart Wi-Fi doorbell by a company called ZZC. This is the box it comes in once you order it. And then once you open it up, you're going to get all the parts and pieces. So first off, you are going to get a user manual that tells you how to install it and all the features that we're going to cover here in the video. You're going to get this little sticky thing here, and that is what you're going to put on your outside of your house, and it's basically going to tell you where to drill the holes. If you don't want to do that, it also includes a little double-sided sticky tape here that you can utilize that to mount. Of course, it is going to include the bag of hardware to assemble the whole doorbell. You are going to get a USB to USB type A charging cable to keep it powered up. It does have a built-in rechargeable battery. Then you are going to get the two batteries themselves. So here you go. This is you'll charge it via the device, or if you have a battery charger that can handle these, you can charge them directly with that. And then you are going to get the doorbell itself and the little protection guard. So on the doorbell itself, before we cover that, last thing you get is a speaker. So what's nice about this is not a lot of products out there. This one comes with a speaker. It is powered by a USB plug. So you have to have like a USB outlet or some type of brick to plug this into. I kind of wish this was just a regular plug, but it does have this USB plug. But it has a speaker, which is really nice when hooking this up. So let's cover the doorbell itself. Right here on the front is where you will press the button when somebody comes up and it will light up. There is a built-in speaker. There is also a motion sensor. That way it'll detect if somebody's approaching your door or dropping off packages. Then you have your camera right there. On the back, you have the little cover that you just pop off right here. And that is where you are going to put the two batteries. Now, on the bottom here, you have a reset button. And then that is where you are going to charge up this doorbell. Now, the doorbell does have several features. So it does have a 1080p camera. And it can also do that two-way audio. So if somebody approaches and you're not wanting to come to the door, or you're not home, you can act like you're home by talking to that person through the speaker. As far as the camera itself, it does have a wide angle at 150 degrees. So it can easily pick up your front porch or wherever you have this mounted. It does have the PR human detection mode. So that way it can tell the difference between if a person is walking to your door versus a car driving by or something like that. It will notify you and give you notification to your phone. As far as storage, so right here on that right there part of the doorbell, you can put in a micro SD card. One is not included, but you can have the images stored directly on the device. Or if you want to subscribe, you can go ahead and have the images stored in the cloud if you wish to preserve that. So there's two options as far as storage. You can completely use this doorbell via the SD card if you install that. Now, as far as the battery life, that is drastically going to depend on how often your doorbell is getting pressed and how often it is picking up motion. I would say plan on charging it up maybe about once a month. That's kind of what I'm seeing, but I get a lot of cars driving by, and so it triggers it. So obviously, if you don't have a lot of motion, then it's going to last a lot longer. But if it's constantly recording, constantly getting motion, your battery's going to wear out a lot faster. Now, this doorbell does connect to your home network via the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And it does feature multi-device sharing. So what does that mean? That means if you have multiple people in your household, you can basically give them access to this doorbell. It doesn't have to be just one person, which is important. So that way, it basically notifies multiple people if somebody's at the front door. It also does have that IP65 waterproof rating. So that means it can get wet, snow, dust, all that kind of stuff because it's built to be outdoors. yeah, so that's the ins and outs of this doorbell. So if you are in the market for a doorbell, I think this one is totally worth checking out. Very easy to set up, very easy to use. Doesn't have to be hardwired or anything back to your house. It also comes with that speaker, so that way if you don't have your phone on you, you can hear if somebody's ringing your doorbell. But overall, I think it's worth checking out if you are in the market for one. And that's basically it. If there's something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.